My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
And so on that same path, say for instance, if I do create a new website for them and they already have a website existing, domain name. So how do I transition that, like from their old website to now my new version of their website?
It's all done through wherever they bought their domain, whether it's GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, HostGator, there's a bunch of them. Wherever that domain is, you would need to, it's currently going to be connected to their old site, right? Let's say they built a site in WordPress, it's connected there. That's where if you type in their domain on Google, it's going to go to that old site. And that's linked to what are called DNS records. And those DNS records are found inside of their GoDaddy account or wherever they bought their domain. They're just two little records of like copy and paste code that you just copy from either GoHighLevel or you copy them from WordPress, paste them in, and then it links your site up to that platform.
Okay.
So all you have to do is you have to get access to go into their GoDaddy account or wherever they bought their domain or have them do it. They have to delete those old two DNS records, which will unlink their old site from their domain. And then you just link up the two new DNS records and GoHighLevel to that site or to their website domain, and then it'll be linked up. So it's literally just as soon as you finish building out the GoHighLevel site, that's the best time to do this process
Mhm.
so that we can pull down the old site. It's only going to be down for like a minute or two while we reconnect the two DNS records from GoHighLevel. And then the new site on GoHighLevel is the new one that it'll populate to when people type in the domain on Google. So it's a really quick and easy process, but you'll usually just do it once the new site has been fully built and GoHighLevel. That's when disconnect from the old, connect the new DNS records to the new GoHighLevel, and it's good to go. So I've got a video on that process.
Okay.
It's in the community. So if you go to the vault here and then go to the classroom, this video right here, how to onboard and set up clients, or this section
Mhm.
with the guy fighting the dragon. And then right here, connecting your client's domain. This video right here will show you how to do those two DNS records that I'm talking about.
Okay.
So
Perfect. All right. Thank you.
you bet, no problem. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.